I hadn't opened my Bible in 47 days, and every single day I told myself tomorrow, so I ran an experiment. 30 days. One rule, no excuses. Attempt 1, buy a nicer Bible. Problem solved, right? It became a coaster by week 2. Attempt 2, apps. All 5 of them. Turns out more apps just means more notifications to swipe away. Attempt 3, New Year's resolution. Very serious, very motivated, lasted 8 days. Here's what nobody tells you. It was never a discipline problem. It was a systems problem. I never had a plan I could actually follow, so this time I stopped guessing and built a system that couldn't fail. The lowest point wasn't even about the Bible. It was feeling far from God and not knowing why. Like I knew about God, but I didn't actually know him anymore. So at 11:47 p.m., I did what everyone does. I Googled it. Every article said the same vague thing. Just be more consistent. Cool. Thanks. Except one result was different. It wasn't advice, it was an actual system. It was called the Bible Reading Tracker. Not an app, not a subscription, just a system. Worksheets, checklists, a 30-day plan, even a page for when you inevitably mess up. The thing that got me was one line in the intro. This isn't a guilt-based tool. No red X's for missed days. Just pick back up tomorrow. So I printed it out, put it where my phone used to sit, and started day 1. Chapter 1 explained something that actually made sense. Tracking makes an invisible habit visible. Once I could see the days adding up, I didn't want to break the chain. Every day, 4 questions. Scripture, observation, application, prayer. Took me 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Not an hour. Not a guilt trip. 8 minutes. It even told me which reading plan to pick based on my actual schedule, not some ideal version of my life. Day 11 was brutal. 0 time. This is exactly where I used to quit, except the system had a page for that too. The 2-minute version. 1 verse. Check the box. Done. Streak still alive. By week 3, I told one friend. That single move made the biggest difference. Just a 2-line text every few days. Nothing fancy. Day 19, I straight up forgot. Old me would have spiraled and quit right there. New me flipped to the reset page. Open to today. Read one thing. Move on. That's it. No spiral. No 3-month disappearance. Just tomorrow. Day by day, it stopped being a task. It started happening everywhere. Bus stop, lunch break, front porch, and somewhere around day 20, I noticed I felt lighter, steadier. 25 pages of actual thoughts, actual prayers, written by me, not scrolled past. That dinner table scene from before, same table, very different me. Day 1 versus day 30, same guy, completely different rhythm, 2 missed days out of 30, and both times I just picked it back up. I'm not saying a workbook fixes your faith, but it gave me something every failed attempt before it didn't. A reason to actually show up every single day. The verses didn't change. I did. Turns out the gap was never about knowledge. It was about showing up. So day 31, I just kept going. If 47 days of silence turned into 30 days of showing up for me, it can for you too. Here's exactly what I used. It comes in 4 versions. For you, your kids, your teens, or if you want to do this with your spouse. Everything I showed you today, worksheets, checklists, the 30-day plan, it's linked below. No pressure. Just start with day 1. That's all it takes.